Maha Mrityunjaya Mantra. Maha Mrityunjaya Mantra is one of the oldest ancient mantras known from the text called Vedas. This is one of the very powerful mantras as well, and this mantra can be chanted in the yogic practice as well as the ceremonies and rituals in India. We can hear these mantras very often, especially in the ceremony called Agni Hotra, the fire ceremony towards the cleansing internally, externally. That's actually how I personally came to the Agni Hotra more than 10 years ago. I started to practice the Agni Hotra by chanting this Maha Mrityunjaya Mantra 108 rounds as we offer our hearts to the Agni Deva, the fire god. We don't need to have a fire in front of us, and we can chant this mantra from our heart to the Lord Shiva. Shiva is known as Mahayogi. Shiva is the representation of the transformation. For him, for his third eye center, what is real only is our consciousness. Forms always change the shapes over the birth and the death. Yet, what is truly alive will never die. So this is really the Mahayogi inspiration from the Lord Shiva. Maha Mrityunjaya, this itself also means the conquer over the death. Maha means great, Mrityun means the death, and it doesn't only mean just the physical death, yet our spiritual death, immortal to mortal, from the limited form to the unlimited form. And Jaya means a victory. So great death, victory. Great victory over the death is this mantra about Maha Mrityunjaya Mantra. So this mantra has a powerful cleansing effect, powerful purifying effect in our subtle energies, mind. Trambakan, it means that the third-eyed Shiva. So by chanting this Trambakan mantra, we also activate that third eye center to discern what is truly eternally alive. And we go towards that eternal consciousness, amritabh, from death to immortality. This is a bit of complicated mantra, so we will break it down. First couple of rounds, and we will chant it all together. Gently close your eyes in your comfortable seat. Breathe down into your heart with the intention to purify, cleanse, internally and externally, the space within and the space beyond. We'll begin with one sound of Om together. Take a deep breath in. Call and response. Om Trayambakam, Om Trayambakam, Yajamahe, Yajamahe, Sugandhin, Sugandhin, Pushti, Pushti, Vardhanam, Vardhanam, Urvaru, Urvaru, Kamiva Vandanam, Kamiva Vandanam, Mrityo, Mrityo. Mrityor Mukshya Mukshya Mamritat Mamritat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe. Sugandhim Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Pushtivardhanam Urvaru Urvaru Kamiva Vandanam Kamiva Vandanam Mrityor Murtyo Mukshya Mukshya Mamritat Mamritat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe. Sugandhim Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Pushtivardhanam Urvaru Kamiva Vandanam Urvaru Kamiva Vandanam Mrityor Mukshya Mamritat Mrityor Mukshya Mamritat. Last round we'll chant all throughout together. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe. Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvaru Kamiva Vandanam Mrityor Mukshya Mamritat. Shanti Shanti Shanti.